Alrighty, good morning, guys. It has been a week and a half since I've posted anything, and my apologies for that. I have done a couple of jobs. Oh, watch out! Not flying very good here. Uh, this particular day, the wind was really blowing hard, so I was having a little difficulty getting kind of lined out. But I have done a couple of jobs lately. Um, Really windy, really wet, and I was just so concentrating on trying to get those done that I didn't take the time to actually film those. And I do apologize for that. But I did record this drone video or done a flyover the other day. As you can see, this is what we've been fighting lately with all of this rain. I mean, you can see this field is absolutely saturated. And this is what we've been fighting lately. And so it's just kind of been one of those situations where I've just kind of went in, got the job done, why I've had the time, and because time's really been kind of sensitive lately because of the weather. But as you can see here, this is that 3-acre lake that I redone the pond dam on, and as you can see right there, just prior to this shot here, that was a dam that I redone, and now we're going to fly over to where the spillway was, where I put spillway in at. You can see, or you can here in just a minute, how spillway is working great. I had mentioned several times when I was building this that the quarry had brought in a mobile or a portable crusher, and they had resized the rock that I normally use for these spillways. So I was a little bit concerned with the size of rock and how well it was going to hold in. So I took extra precautions to put it in thicker, and of course I laid material down underneath of it. But I put it in thicker, and I really worked it in with the excavator. And like I said, as you can see here, it's flowing really good. That shot's a little bit deceptive. It looks like that flow is way off to one side. However, there on the right side, as you can see there, that slopes way up. So it was a little bit deceiving. But I wanted to put that rock in the bank there to secure that bank, because we do have water coming off of the field to the right that's running down in this runoff, the spillway area. There's a couple of trees there. I wish I could have gotten and kind of just followed that spillway up, but for whatever reason my drone didn't update my height or how high I was above the ground. Normally it's really spot on, but it was way off. It was showing me being like 12 foot above, and I know that I wasn't. So, again, this shot here, you can look through, the rock is staying in really well. There's a lot of flow. That water's over a foot deep right there, and it is flowing well. And right there you can see that's the runoff area coming out of that field, and it's kind of working its way down into that just like I wanted it to. Here's the outflow side, and right up here I actually kind of chalked the gravel in with those chunks of concrete. Kind of help the gravel from pushing on out. But as you can see, it's really flowing out good. We're going to work our way this is kind of north here. It did kind of branch out right there. There's a low area over here which it kind of worked its way into, but there was a deep ditch here that I put a bunch of concrete chunks and stuff in to kind of help with erosion because it was really spreading out. But as you can see, man, kind of some wild flying there. But as you can see, that low area is working its way into the main channel, which is right in front of me here, and working its way down to a creek area. I'm going to flip around here, kind of just give you an overview of this lake. Unfortunately, that dam, and if you go back and look at the videos that I had when I was making this, you'll see how eroded this dam was. And there's several places around that dam because of the trees that the dam is leaking. It's leaking under the dam. those trees all need to come out and that dam be refaced and everything. And I talked with him about that, but that may be something at a later date. But as you can see, this is about a 3-acre lake, and it has came up real nice. And again, the spillway is doing its job, and it's hanging in there. And like I said, we've got every bit of a foot of water over it right now. And like I said, I'm fighting the wind really bad right here, so that's why it's so jerky. But that just kind of gives you an overview of this lake. I'm going to drop down right here, and we'll kind of get a little bit better view. Again, my height is off, so I'm very cautious. I don't want to sit down in the water, so I'm cautious about getting really low. But as you can see, that turned out really nice, and it is doing exactly what it was supposed to do. And I think the modifications made, not only did we save the lake, but we sure really helped it. But anyway, guys, ConExpo's coming up, and we're flying out. We'll be there Monday, so can't wait to see you all. I'll be in and out of the Kobelco booth. I'm gonna have some stickers there. Come by and see me, and I'll be doing some shorts, and I'll be posting those. Unfortunately, I don't have a laptop that's powerful enough to handle this the program that I have for my editing. So wave. But anyway, guys, ConExpo 2023. I'll see you guys there, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.